Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the double HMA MTF indicator. All right, now let us start by going to the MQL5 site because that is where the indicator is actually available. All right, the indicator is currently going for sale at 30 US dollars. However, you can try out the free demo. Okay, so that is what we're going to be doing in this video. We're going to be trying out the free demo to understand how the indicator works. All right, so we're going to click on that and we're going to head over to our MT4 terminal where we are going to be testing the indicator using our strategy tester. All right, so yeah, the indicator should have been added by now to our navigator. Okay, so let's just quickly look for it. Let's see, it should be in markets, right? Double HMA MT4 MTF. Okay, I'm gonna drag and drop. Okay, now click on test. All right, and then we're gonna click on start. So within a few seconds we should have the visuals displayed here in our strategy tester, and we can further understand how the indicator works. You know, you'll be able to know if it's going to be worth your money, right? Okay, so the indicator from current indications ought to have, you know, a display here in the indicator window. We're just going to be heading back to the MQL5 site. Let's see if we are missing something. All right, so this indicator has, as you can see, arrows and then, you know, some sort of signals, right? You can see when the color changes from blue to purple, all right, it's a sell signal. With the addition of downward purple arrow, that's a sell signal. But then when you see the color changes from purple to blue, it's a blue signal, you know, with the display of the upward blue arrow. That's a buy signal, right? So also on your chart, you can see these lines and the arrows. So the purple color, the purple line, the purple dots, the purple arrows, they show sell signal and sell momentum, right? But then the blue lines, the blue arrows, the blue dots, they show bullish signal, right? Buy signals and a buy trend. Okay, so ideally on the strategy tester, this indicator ought to be displayed. All right, it ought to be displayed here in the strategy tester, but maybe there is an issue with the free demo. All right, because, you know, I've tested you know, number of other indicators using the strategy tester, and, you know, they worked well. So it's possible that the free demo might actually have an issue, but the main focus of this video is to help you understand how the indicator functions, right? So if you want to know more about the indicator, you can actually come check out the MQL5 website to learn more about the indicator, but make sure that you are very much comfortable with the indicator before making any financial commitments. Okay, you can also decide to try out the free demo if, you know, you're going to have a different outcome. Okay, but if you're looking for free indicators, you can check out the Forex Geek website. There are a whole lot of indicators, free indicators there on the Forex Geek website. All right, that's if you are seeking free indicators. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.